Don't think that bad things happen only to you. They happen to everyone. Every single day. The difference lies in how you deal with any given situation. Your attitude counts. If you choose to see things in a positive light, then you'll rise above it and overcome it eventually. When people misunderstand and reject you, don't feel miserable. It's bound to happen sooner or later. It's part of the Almighty's plan to make you realize that you shouldn't rely on His creation but only on the one who created you. People will let you down but He will lift you. Don't make the mistake of telling someone too much about yourself. Oversharing is bad. It can invite negative energy from those who don't want good for you. They will use the information in a way that can be detrimental to you. Share selectively only with those who truly care. The Almighty did not create us to become popular with everyone and to live up to their expectations. No. We're here to worship our Creator and be the best we can in this short life. If you find yourself deviating from this main goal, you'll end up miserable. Get back on track. Stay firm and resolute. Don't let circumstances sway your faith like a candle in the wind. Never doubt that the Almighty's aware of everything that's going on in your life. Don't let others create doubts in your mind. He has brought you this far. Do you think He'll abandon you? At times, we condemn good people because we disagree with them over a few issues. We refuse to see the good they're doing. Disagreements do not automatically make a person extreme bad or evil. Learn to distinguish between the one who respectfully disagrees and the one who is evil. You can dream all you want, but if there's no action to realize those dreams, then it amounts to nothing. Be proactive. Walk the talk. That's the only way people will respect you. Words that don't translate into action remain mere words. This life's too short to waste like that. Don't feel like you have to take part in every conversation and every argument. Often people will draw you into it, egging you to take side. Don't. Exercise restraint. Be smart enough to know when to speak and when to remain silent. It will save you from a whole lot of trouble. If you are often stressed, anxious, feel like a failure, or you're not doing what you think you should be doing, consider this. Start helping others. You'll feel a sense of self-worth that you're actually making a difference and easing someone's load. See how your life changes. Just because you can't do it, doesn't mean the Almighty can't do it. He's the Lord of the worlds. If He can turn night into day and have perfect synchronization in things around us, He can surely change our situation in the blink of an eye. When He knows you're ready,